AirPods Pro not connecting to your iPhone or iPad can be frustrating. Here's how to quickly address it. First, ensure your AirPods are charged. Then, in your iOS settings, go to Bluetooth and select Forget this device for your AirPods. Next, close the AirPods case and reopen it near your iPhone iPad to initiate the pairing process. This forces a repair and often resolves most connection issues. Make sure your iOS version is up to date, iOS 18.2 or later. Outdated software can cause connectivity problems. Remember to eliminate interference from other devices operating on the 2.4 GHz band. This process leverages Apple's encrypted handoff protocol, ensuring secure and quick connections. If repairing doesn't work, reset your AirPods by holding the noise control button on the case for 15 seconds. Also, check for AirPod-specific updates in Settings, General, Software Update. iOS 19 includes improved diagnostic tools for AirPods. For workout-related disconnections, try resetting your network settings in iOS. If problems persist, the issue may be hardware-related, particularly with older units. Apple is moving towards AI-enhanced troubleshooting. Future iOS updates may include Siri voice commands for automated diagnostics. AirPods Pro 3, expected 2026, may incorporate ultra-wideband UWB for precise location-based pairing, eliminating connection drops. Keep your iOS updated for optimal connectivity.